If you're watching this, you're watching the replay. Months from away has a beautiful mustache and a new baby. Hey everybody, happy Sunday. So this is a segment I call Mail Call. When I get wonderful packages from some amazing companies out there, I like to open them up and share them with you guys. Today's package is from the wonderful folks over at Educated Beards. I don't know what's inside of here, only that they were going to send me one. So I'm going to open it up for you guys and share it for the first time right here from Educated Beards. Wonderful company out in New Brunswick, Canada. Merry Christmas, pal. Happy to have you help us grow Educated Beards. You mean a lot to us and our team. Have a great time this summer. Why, Kevin? This summer is wintertime, but hey, summertime is fun. What's going on, man? Yeah, no, I dropped the other box. I got this box right here. So this is from Educated Beards out of New Brunswick, Canada, and it's always wonderful, wonderful products. I had the opportunity to go up with them for a convention that was going on in June. I got to demonstrate how I make up my mustache in front of a big crowd, so it was really, really awesome. So inside, it looks like I've got me some new beard wash. This is an amazing wash. They send in the little pump as well. What I have found is with a single pump from their beard wash, it really lathers a whole bunch. You don't need much more than that. This is some of the smoking moss. Oh, I've been seeing everybody do that. This is a beard butter cream. Let me put this box down without knocking more stuff on the ground. All right. What I'll do is I'll just open it up from there. So smoking moss. Oh, look at that. The beard butter inside of there, a wonderful cream. I got to tour the facility in which they make a lot of the products. We did some collaborative shoots. It was absolutely amazing. This is the beard balm. So a butter is a little bit lighter. I like to put the butters on in the evening. It's a great maintenance for overnight. Beard oils are great for the skin. Beard balms and beard butters are great on the facial hair as leave-in conditioners. And look at that. I've even got the smoking moss beard oil. Make sure you shake it up. And you just need a couple of drops in there. Work it in on the skin. It's great. But this is what I'm really excited about because I need to shave today. And this is going to be, I believe, the Smoke and Moss shave soap. Oh, look at that. Soak your brush, wring it out a little bit. Take your shave brush in there, load it up, put it in a lather bowl if you want. What's going on? Lather it up and put it on the skin. The shave brushes, these are great because they exfoliate the skin, they massage the skin, and they prep the hairs. You get it wet, you put it in there, you load it up, and then you just lather it up. I have a scuttle from Naked Armor, which I'll show you guys here in a second. People ask me all the time, what is this hole for? This is so you can fill it with hot water so that the lather bowl stays hot. I like hot lather, putting it on my face versus cold. What's going on? That way that the hairs kind of stay ready and the skin stays prepped to shave to make for a closer shave. This has a little plug, put it in there, and then it's nice and hot to the touch. When I use really hot water, gotta be careful you don't burn your finger, but it'll stay hot for like 30 to 45 minutes. So I prefer that. Another thing I wanted to show that everybody did point out that I did drop is also from Educated Beards. If you're looking for a present for this holiday season, this is an easy 3-part maintenance kit, beard maintenance kit. It's got your wash, it's got your beard oil, and it's got like a balm in it from Educated Beards. These come in different scents. If you're looking for something a little bigger, I mean, here's the book of beards, right? And inside of here, you're gonna find a lot of stuff. that is really, really nice. As you can see, I took the scissors out, which I have up there, that I trim my mustache with. But this has got your beard oil, it's your mustache wax, more beard oil, your beard wash, your beard balms, all inside this wonderful book. A buddy of mine, he said what he did was he took all the stuff out and then he screwed it up to the wall and then he uses it as a little shelf. I mean, you got everything right there from Educated Beards. Got to give them a shout out. Wonderful company. Kevin's an amazing guy, very passionate. I need to get a shower and get cleaned up. I got to shave today. So thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you so much to Educated Beards for the wonderful, wonderful mail call package. I love you guys. And as always, I'm Bob, and this is Elliot Norris, my mustache, wishing you a wonderfully bearded day. Thank you guys. Go back and watch a replay.